start hearing chains fall, I've literally heard chains fall in the spiritual realm at immersions. We call them miracle immersions because miracles, there's so many miracles that take place. So we've just kept that name, Miracle Immersion, and there's been times where I actually hear chains fall that people have been carrying since their childhood.
When I mentioned going into immersion one way and coming out another, the amount of healing that took place in my immersion, chains broke. He allowed me to be a daughter of the kingdom. I was a daughter of the king for all those days, and I wasn't a mom, I wasn't a wife, I wasn't a boss, I wasn't all the things that I have wrapped my identity in. He allowed me to see a glimpse of heaven.
We've trained over 3,000 instructors to date, and he keeps growing the family and the community, and it's such a tight-knit community. What sets us apart from other Christian yoga schools or other schools in general is just that you don't come and receive a certificate and we never see you again. It is a fully integrated community and communion